In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order a Binance Visa Card. Now let's make sure you're ready to start. First and foremost, you need to ensure that you're eligible to apply for the Binance Visa Card. This means you should be living in a country where the Binance Card is available. Also, it's crucial that you've completed your identity verification, commonly referred to as KYC, or Know Your Customer verification. This step ensures that your account is fully authenticated and can access all of Binance's services without any hitches. Once you've confirmed your eligibility, it's time to log into your Binance account. Open the website or app and enter your credentials to access your account dashboard. After logging in, you'll need to navigate to the Binance Card section. This can typically be found under the Finance section, labeled as Binance Visa Card, or sometimes simply as the Card section or page. If you're having trouble locating it, use the search function on the platform to make things easier. Once you've made your way to the Binance Visa Card page, you'll see an option to get started with the ordering process. Click on Get Started or Order Card to proceed. At this point, you'll be prompted to enter some essential information. First is how your name will appear on the card. Make sure to enter your name exactly as you would like it printed. This small detail is important because it can affect how you can use your card in future transactions. Next, you'll need to create a secure PIN for your physical card. This PIN will be an important security feature, so make sure it's memorable yet difficult for others to guess. Moving on, you'll arrive at the section where you confirm or update your shipping address. Double-check to ensure that the address is correct, as this is where your physical card will be sent. An accurate address will ensure that your card arrives securely and in a timely manner. Now, you'll be presented with the terms and conditions or cardholder agreement. It's crucial to read through this carefully. While you may be tempted to skip over these details, understanding the terms to prepare yourself for all the card's features and any potential fees. With all the necessary information filled out and accepted, you're ready to submit your order. Once you hit that submit button, a virtual version of your card will be issued to you immediately. You can start using this virtual card for online transactions right away. Meanwhile, your physical Binance Visa Card will be shipped to the address you have provided during the setup. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully ordered your Binance Visa Card. Don't forget that with this card you can enjoy a range of benefits, including convenient spending and easy access to your crypto assets.